Hello friends, welcome to Manutec Sounds. In Audacity, there is a concept called ducking. Ducking means basically when we have a dialogue and music together, the dialogue, when we play the dialogue, the music volume has to be reduced. And when there is no dialogue, the music volume has to be increased. This has to be done automatically. So actually this we can do manually also, but when the file is very small, that we can do manually. But when the file is very big, tracks are very big, so it is difficult to manage manually. So we have a concept called auto ducking in Audacity. So this basically use very much useful for content creators, just like YouTube content creators and documentary creators and voiceovers and storytelling people with background music and podcasting. So all these people require this kind of concepts. And this effect is very important effect. So let us discuss about that. Let's go to the screen. So friends, you can able to see the screen here. So in this screen, we are able to see the Audacity screen, and I'm going to record one or two lines. So based on that, we will try to learn how to do ducking. Okay. First, I'm clicking on this record button. Yeah, ducking concept is an important concept in case of documentary or podcasting. Sometimes it is very important in content creation for YouTube audios and videos. So this is the audio just I have created just before now. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do anything here, okay? Yeah, ducking concept is an important concept in case of documentary or so this is what we have recorded. I'm increasing little bit volume here. You can see volume. Okay, +2 I did. Let me listen one more time. Yeah, ducking concept is an important concept in case of documentary or podcasting. So it's reaching minus 18 dB. Okay. When you see this is our audio. So when you see this audio, we have a small gap here in between. Okay. We kept this gap wantedly. So whenever this audio is playing, okay, wherever the dialogue is there, in that area music has to be reduced volume, and this area music has to increase the volume automatically. This is the concept. So now I have to import some music file. So let me go to the file and click on import, click on audio. I'm selecting something here, one file. Okay, so this is what downloaded here, I mean imported. I'm taking from this area to this area, rest all I'm deleting because it is not required for us. So let me zoom in this part and scroll to the beginning area, and little bit we'll do the zoom out also. Yeah, we can see this part. So in this, to follow the ducking very easily, to make you understand what I'm doing, the top file, the top track, whatever it is, audio track, okay, dialogue track, I'm making this down. So simply click on here and drag it to the down. Okay, click on drag to the down so that you can see the music track went upside and the audio track came downside. So this music we want to use, so what we have to do is simply select to the what extent that from which area to, you just select the area of the music track to the beginning, okay, and simply go to the effect option, and there you just find out volume and compression. In the volume and compression you select auto duck. Once you select auto duck, you will find this small window like this, and there are some parameters also in the down. Okay, so this is already reduced wherever the dialogue is there. So those area system trying to reduce minus 12 dB, 12 GB, minus 12 dB You can even see in the down duck amount, it's showing minus 12 dB. You can also modify this area. If you don't like the output, you can also modify these parameters. But what I'm doing, I'm not going to do any changes here in maybe the threshold area and duck amount, and simply click on apply. When I click apply, automatically you can see here the area where the dialogue is there. So those areas the music has been reduced. Correct? So this part music reduced and this part music reduced because in those areas we have a dialogue. Let me play now and see. It is very, yeah, ducking concept is an important concept in case of documentary or podcasting. Sometimes it is very important in content creation for YouTube audios and videos. You can clearly observe, not by hearing, by seeing only we can understand. So this area audio is more, that means music is more, and this area reduced. By changing the parameter in auto ducking, you can still manage very nicely. Of course, we have not done any editing here. If you do editing, nice audio will be produced. So concept you understood. Okay, the extra area of music, whatever is there, that what I'm doing, I'm just going to delete this part and I'm selecting this part. Okay, and slowly I want to make this nicely. So go to the effects and select the fading out. Okay, so I'm selecting this fade out area. So if you click here, then it will fade very nicely. See, sometimes it is very important in content creation for YouTube audios and videos. Fine. So the point, one more point here is, if you can also do this ducking manually by selecting the envelope option. Okay, by selecting this envelope option, you can still do this complete process manually. Let me click here envelope option, and then you can see here top and the down blue color lines are there. Okay, if you hold this mouse and drag to the down, you can see audio increasing and decreasing. Okay, but this concept, if the small files are there, that you can process, but if it is a big file, it is better to go ducking process. Okay, hope this video you understood and you like this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe, share and like. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.